Hi, this is October from MSNW, and I'd like to show you how you can submit a work request online. First thing, you go to msnwgroup.com. Then, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see a tab that says Work Request. Click the link, go through our work request form, and fill out all the necessary information. Please set your priority levels and the type of service that you would like at your facility. Add additional information and reference images here. You can add additional emails, which will copy or CC anybody on your team that you'd like to notify about this service. When you're done with that, please send your request, and you should end up on this screen. The process is the same on your phone. The navigation menu is in the upper left-hand side. Click on Work Requests and fill out your information. Scroll down. Select the type of service and the priority level. You can add additional emails, select photos from your photo gallery on your phone, and hit submit. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions about filling out a work request, please contact our team at info@msnwgroup.com.